Hi, everybody. My name is Elad Harrison, and I come from IAGON. I finished my PhD in economics of technologies, but eventually I specialize in artificial intelligence, and that's a pretext for IAGON's project. Well, as a background, we envisioned during the last years dramatic growth in big data, in the need for artificial intelligence. I'm coming actually from Tel Aviv, Israel, and I met some startups that spend up to $1 million on average per month only on processing power, on storage, and so on and so forth. And what we aspire in IAGON is simply to reduce by about 70 to 80% the expenses of technology companies on cloud services. How do we do it? We actually created a grid, a sort of power grid for processing, for storage facilities in IAGON, and we have released our alpha version, so you are invited to go to our website to download it. But the great benefit for companies from using the IAGON technology is to prevent data leaks. So when I go to Google News, I see on average about once in a week a great data leak. It used to be the Turkish citizen database, later on the Indian database. Personal photos of celebrities were leaked and so on and so forth. So by using the blockchain in order to encrypt the data, we're able to bulletproof protect all the information of companies as well as individuals, whereas we also add to that a nice layer of SHA-256, which is a military-grade encryption in order to really protect the data. Our main competitors in the market are actually Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft, and IBM, which are the Goliath of the industry. So the only way to compete with them and to propose a real decentralized solution to this centralized platform is to unite together all the Davids against those Goliaths. Otherwise, we don't see a chance for competition. And that's what we aspire. We do aspire to unite together data services, data centers, servers, and even individual users that underutilize or unuse part of the day their services or part of their storage and processing capacities. So if we have, for instance, a data center which is utilizing 90%, 97% of the storage capacity, they can sell the remaining storage over the IAGON and profit from that. If there is some idle time during the night in which your computer is running, you can benefit it. Okay, so eventually you sell your processing power, your storage capabilities in order to benefit the large companies, which in return have a bulletproof ability to protect their data, their files, and processing tasks. So our goal is to create this kind of grid, or so to say, supercomputer, which is cloud-based. And we support for this purpose the needs of storage, CPU, and GPU, since we see a growing demand in deep learning, machine learning, and data mining uses, which require all those facilities. Our solution is actually based not on random allocation of files and processing tasks to different miners, but we have a layer of artificial intelligence, what I specialize in. So by a series of statistical models, which are quite complex, we actually allocate smartly on the basis of prior performance of each miner the different tasks to do, the different files to store in order to continuously optimize the grid, in order to get the best performance in terms of running tasks and storing data. Our partnership include SUSE Linux, Oracle, HP's Cloud 28. We are in the midst of the pre-sale process, and we actually raised up to now approximately $4 million. You are invited to join us.